Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical parts in SolidWorks well on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New, and select Part and select OK. Now go to select right plane and sketch. Now draw the circle from origin. Two circle draw from origin. Now give the dimension. This circle dimension 150 and this circle dimension 80. Okay. Now go to draw the circle again here to circle same dimension and draw again here to circle. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 600. 600. Okay. Keyboard some problem. Just move here. Again give the value. This point control this point vertical. Now this point and this point distance 600. Okay. Now this point and this point distance 310. Okay. Select. Now this circle control this circle equal. Now this circle control this circle and this circle equal. Okay. Okay. Now go to draw the hair center line. Center line draw here. This point control this center line control this point. Symmetric. Okay. Now go to 3-point arc. Now select hair and hair. Okay. Now these are dimension 580. Okay. Select. These are control this circle tangent. Now again this circle, these are control this circle tangent. Okay. Now go to again draw the 3-point arc. Now here select and here select. Now these are control this tangent. Now again here these are control this are tangent. Now give the value these are value 350. Okay. Select. Now go to mirror. Now select this arc about center line. Okay. Now go to offset. Now go to offset. Now go to offset 100. Okay. Now go to again offset. Now this select R reverse 100. Okay. Now go to offset. Now here select. Okay. Now go to fillet. This line and this line 70. Okay. And this line and this line and this line and this arc. Okay. Okay. 70 fillet. Now you can here give the value 35. 70 diameter and 35 radius. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here select extrude 10 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to again here sketch and extrude select. Now here and here and here. Now give the value. Give the value 50. Now go to isometric view 50 or 60 as you wish. Going to below 60. Now here below. Now here below 20. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Now you can give the value change here 80. Okay. Now give the value here 30. Now go to select fillet tools. Fillet 10. Now select here, here and here. Now again go to back side. Select. Now here select. Now give the value change 5. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to select here plain white. Now go to select here shaded. Now I am going to here select color. You can select any color as you wish. I am going to select color metal color. Metal. Now select lead. Now select this. Now go to isometric view. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. Our online class 1-to-1 you can learn SolidWorks, AutoCAD, MasterCam, CNC from us online offline as you wish, and two system running now, both system running now, online and offline. Online class 1-to-1 and offline class only 10 student based system. You can learn anywhere from in the world, no problem. Our contact number 01916 553827. Thank you all.